Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the Google Nest original thermostat. And this here is the model with the mirror display on the front face. There's many other different Google Nest generations and thermostats out there. I also cover those in separate videos. I also cover this device with other aspects and topics that you might be interested in, such as how to connect to the app, set up and install of the base plate, manual override, and factory reset and lock and unlock. But this video here is going to be covering just 7-day programming and how to set up a schedule on the program, on the thermostat, I should say. Now, the only way to do this is through the Google Home app. You have to use this app in order to control this smart thermostat. There is no option on the actual menu on the thermostat to do any programming of the schedule. Okay, everything is done through here on the phone. So it's a very simple process. Once you connect, I have a separate video for that, so check that out if you haven't done that already. But once you have the Google Home app opened up and connected to the thermostat, it's as simple as going to the schedules, which is at the bottom of the main page of the thermostat, schedules, okay? And then you have the temperature schedule, and then you have a fan schedule as well. So you have two options here, which is really nice. So we can go over the temperature schedule first. It gives you a default 4 periods of the day. You're going to go ahead and adjust these, and you can add another one if you want. Okay, so that's really helpful as well. So it's flexible enough for you to do each day of the week. We're going to start with Monday, and then I can show you how to apply it to different days. So we're going to start with the temperature one, and we're just going to click on comfort. Okay. Here we can go ahead and adjust our heating set point and cooling set point at the same exact time. Let's get a little bit closer there. So we can adjust our heating and cooling set point at the same exact time, all right here. And then we select our start time for this period, the comfort period. Okay. Then also at the bottom here, you can update the event on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So if you wanted to have the same schedule, you can go ahead and select each one of these for whichever days you want to be the same schedule. Okay, I'm just going to go Monday through Friday, and then adjust this to 68, and this is 72 for the cooling. Okay, for comfort, I'm going to hit save. Update comfort. Okay, and then the same thing, we're going to go to eco. And eco is the same thing. We're going to go through and adjust what we think is going to be we want our default temperature set point to be. So moving along, we have other scheduled periods of the day that we can go ahead and we can select comfort again, which is our comfort mode. As you can see there, sleep is going to be a next one. We can go ahead and adjust our sleep as we need. And our set point, the time set point, and then what days we want it to apply to on the same event. Okay, so Monday through Sunday, we can go ahead and select those for the sleep time period, and then hit save. So this basically updates in a block way, so you can do Monday through Friday or Saturday through Sunday, whichever one you feel like is more flexible for you and is tailored to your needs. But it's very simple. You have to do this in order to run this device properly. In the background, have the program kind of defaulted to your 4 scheduled periods of the day that you set each set point for cooling and heating, and then allow the automatic changeover to do its thing and to keep the house a proper temperature. You also have here a fan schedule. So you can go ahead and turn on the fan schedule, and this allows you to turn on the fan from a certain time of period of day to another time period of the day. So from and to, you go ahead and select those. If you want to turn on at 12 and have it turn off at 3, you can go ahead and do that. Or you can have it turn on for each hour for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 60 minutes. That's up to you. So that's nice to have as a flexible option. But like I said, you have schedules for temperature and fan. You can adjust those as needed, and you can add a time block if you want a 5th one or 6th one in the day. So that there is how do you program for a 7-day schedule. Like I said, it might take some time to do this. You might have to get acclimated to the device and how it works, and come in the home app and adjust that. But it allows for ultimate flexibility for each one of these days, as you can see. Okay, but that there is the 7-day programming. I encourage you guys to check out my other videos. I cover all different topics, such as, like I said, how to connect to the app, set up and install the base plate, manual override of the unit, as well as factory reset and lock and unlock. So I encourage you guys to check those out. But that's it for the video for today. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.